This is something we dreamt of so much in the south. Warm wind, wind, easy waves. Here we go. But it is still hard work. The last 36 hours were hard work. I think it will be a bit easier now the next 2 days. So what I expect is wind to um, get a bit stronger and go a bit aft, which would make it easier for foiling. It is a bit annoying sometimes today. The boat would not foil, and I'm just at the edge like this. So I know that Apivia can foil in a little bit less wind, and I'm just missing a tiny bit of pressure sometimes to get going. And you know when it goes, like now it's going nicely. 15 knots on the speedo, 14 and a half knots of wind. That's perfect. If I have a bit more wind, I go 18 knots. But then the average wind speed is like 12, sometimes 11, and then it's a bit dull, and then we go just at the wind speed. It would be a fantastic speed for any cruising boat, but it is a bit an annoying speed if you know that the guys in front are doing 15 knots or so. I haven't looked at the last update actually, 10 minutes ago. Um, that probably shows a certain level of relaxation, which is a good thing. I will see if I manage to sleep this night. Um, I slept quite good last night. Not at all the night before. That was constant hassle with winds and gusts. And then luckily I slept last night well because the day was really complicated. Not like expected. I thought we would go like relatively easy, but no, it was like a cloud here, a cloud there, and then a cloud 20 knots suddenly, and then nothing, really nothing, absolutely nothing. Shaking sails, and then wind from the wrong side, you tack. That is so much work. If you go on the bow, you carry the sail around the forestay for 0 speed, put the rudders up and down, the foils in and out. The foils in and out is the hardest grind on the boat, by the way. Um, Luckily, that's behind us there. You see these clouds. It's behind us. We have more stable air here, a fantastic sunset, and a fantastic outlook. Wind going aft, slowly a little bit, and forwards again. So it stays around 70, which is a critical angle, 65. At 65, I needed quite a bit of breeze to foil. At 70, it's better. 75 is much easier to foil. True an angle. It will be always once from starboard, so no tacking, no jibing. Crossing the equator, north straits, the northeast straits are much stronger. And then here we go, duck, 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 and we will find the western wind zone, our home hemisphere, with at the moment a couple of good low pressures, especially one right at the finish. So finishing with 50 knots. That would be something. I'm laughing about it because it's more likely that it's not there than it's there if you look at an outlook that is 14 days away or 12 days. The last routing, by the way, was 12 days, 12 hours, 12 minutes, or something like that, almost. To arrive on the 26th, let's see. I'm not super convinced yet. I think it's probably a bit more than that. And one thing I wanted to tell you is it's a bit strange. I know I'm gonna miss this so much in a short amount of time. Like when I'm on my couch in Hamburg and it's dark and the days are very short in the winter time, and you think of this fantastic tropical evening. It is warm, just the best temperature, and it's all the time exciting on the boat. And this excitement, which at the moment I say, it's enough, let me finish. My nerves are a bit like shaking, and my nerves are tired a bit. I could really take a rest, a break, but yeah, we certainly will miss it soon. All right, that's for today, tonight. Sunset atmosphere and bit of trimming now. More mainsail, less mainsail. The shape of the jib, and it's really the boat is really particular of what it likes and what not, and it's like a little bit more on the jib tweaker. Then sometimes it's sometimes you have to say yourself, okay, now let it as it is, and I just go to sleep, whatever happens. Then you're in your bunk, and then you feel the boat goes flat because there's less wind than before, and it just bang, 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 and it feels horrible when the boat is flat in these waves. So then you jump out again, you wind the main sheet on to heel the boat, accelerate again, and then you're in your bunk, and then the boat is on the side, and heeling too much, you go out again, you ease the main. So that's the tricky thing, to find sleep. Not easy. Not always easy. Sometimes yes, but let's see how this night is going to pan out. Cheers, bye bye.